Step inside this spacious dream. 5 bright bedrooms, sunlight beams, a cozy guest suite on the main. Formal dining, entertain. Wood-burning fireplace, warm and bright. Coffered ceilings, pure delight. A kitchen built with timeless grace. Farmhouse sink, a perfect space. It's unknown A6 Hawthorn Ct. Pure delight, a kitchen built with timeless grace. Farmhouse sink, a perfect space. A place where comfort meets your heart. Tray ceiling high, a bath so grand. Double vanities, take my hand. Dive showered room, aglow. A backyard playground space so wide. A home where happiness resides. Took down the pool and fun all day. Woodland Hills is here to stay. 25th incentive strong. Make this house where you belong. Still Loganville calls, the time is right. Move on in, your future's bright. Hawthorn Ct, where dreams take flight. Come make this house your home.